Let us take a look at how to take futures trading. All right, welcome back. Okay, now for you to be able to take future trading, you must have this app on your phone. So once you open it, all you have to do is click on futures. So look at futures over here down. What I'm going to do right now is I'll just tap on it. So this is how the interface looks like. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to fund from spot to futures. All you have to do is to tap on these two arrows up here. So I'm going to tap on it right now. So something like this will come out. Okay, spot wallet to futures. So okay, now I'm going to include the amount I have here. I have 10 USD. So I'm going to click on max because I want all of them. So you just transfer the amount you want. So if you don't want all of them, you click on 5, then you click on transfer. But as for me, I want all. So all I have to do is to click on max. So once this money gets to futures, transfer to futures, it means you are ready to trade the market. So I'm going to click on confirm transfer. As you can see, transfer successful. Look over here, you are going to see 10.30 USDT. So it's very simple. Okay, now let's talk about cross. This place, what does cross mean? Cross means that if I take a trade with $5, if the trade goes against me, I will lose that $5. At the same time, I will also lose the $5 left in my USD, because remember that if I this 10.10, let's just take it as 10. If I take off 5 from 10, it's going to give me 5. So even if I use 5 to trade and 5 is left here, if it goes against me, that 5 that is left here, I'm going to also lose it unless there is stop loss set. If not, I'm also going to lose that $5 if it goes against me. Now tap here if you want to change it to isolated, because we have cross and we have isolated. So now I'm going to change it to isolated. So that is how to change it. All right, so isolated means that if I'm using $5, all right, and the trade goes against me, I'm going to lose only that $5 if I don't use stop loss. Okay, so I'll be left with $5 over here. Hope you understood. Now let's talk about the village, this 20x over here. Let's talk about it. Now the higher leverage, the closer the liquidation price. Also, liquidation price is the higher chance of you losing money on that trade. Now the lower the leverage, the lower of you not losing much money on that trade. So if you use, let me just tap on it. So if you use 20x, the profit you make will be times what? Times 20. And if I also use times 1, the profit I will make will also be times 1. So if you want to increase it to any leverage, you can just slide this arrow. So on Binance we have 125 as the highest. Okay, Other exchanges has their own highest leverage. So this is it on Binance. Now let's leave it at 10x. Let me go to 10x. But remember, for newbies, you can start with 1x, 1 to 5x. Okay, you can just leave it at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anyhow you want to leave it. But okay, let me just take it down to, let me leave it at 6x. Okay, let's just click on confirm. So that is it over here. It's confirmed. Now let's move over to markets. Markets means entering at current market price, CMP. C there means current, M market, and P price. Now someone might send you a signal and you're going to be saying CMP, so that's why I'm explaining that. Okay, and you can also see stop loss and also take profit. For example, we can use Bitcoin, this Bitcoin as an example. So if yours, how to change, let me teach you how to change it. You just click here. If yours is not on Bitcoin, you can click any coin of any choice, any, you can pick any coin you want to trade on. So I'm going for this BTC. Let me go back. All right, looking at this chart now, this is the current market price, okay, of Bitcoin. So we are going to be entering. So when you enter the current market price, all you have to do is to drag to the percentage you want. So this is all you have to do, just drag. All right, when you drag, let's say we drag to like 50%, and we'll leave it there, and we'll come here to pick, just for instance, this is just an example. Then in the stop loss, you just add, sorry, take profit. Let's say we just, let's leave it at 35. Then stop loss, let's leave it at 108. Okay, so if you want to execute the trade now, it's either you click on you're buying or you're selling, just choose one, and it's going to activate, and you're going to see open order. Before I forget, there is something here, let me show you. Once you click on it, we have single asset mode and we have multiple asset mode. So make sure yours is on single asset mode. Okay, because this single asset mode, if you read it, you see it supports both cross margin and isolated margin, and this multiple asset mode only supports cross margin. So I would advise you use single asset mode. Please don't forget, always check it, always check that. So now let's just click on buy, let's activate it. Less than 10. Okay, if you have something like this, all you have to do is to change the leverage. You need to have enough money for you to be able to trade this. If not, it won't work. Let's check 20x and see if it goes. Okay, so let me see the percentage. Right, I had to change the figures, and there's something I really want to show you. You know, over here we have 10.30, and if you watch, this is where to know how much cost you are using. This is the place to know the cost. 5.47, That's what I use there. Okay, so I'm going to click on buy right now. Buy right now and also click on confirm. Success, the trade has been executed. Okay, don't mind this is just an this feedback. All right, so over here you're going to see open order. Okay, all right, see the one I just did right now. All right, so when you are here and you want to, let me show you some things over here. If you want to check how much you will make if BTC goes to 350, okay, if you watch, see, look at the margin 5.48. What you have to do is to click on, you click on that position, you click on TP stroke SL, you tap on it, then position CP to SL, you tap on it as well, you click on take profits. Okay, this take profit. What did we, I think we used 350, right? Just tap the amount. Yeah, okay, so this is it. Now with 5 point, I think we use $5.4. This is what we'll be making, almost 240.77 USD. Almost, this is almost more than 200,000 naira money or something. So just do the calculation yourself. So that is it. that is that is the money you will make. Now, so now let's go back. Okay, look at the orders we took. These are the two open orders, which is either it gets to this 350 and these are stop loss 108. Okay, so this is just it about it. Okay, so it's very easy to do. So don't forget to follow us on our channel and also join our Telegram channel for more tips on this. I'm going to be dropping a few videos. Okay, this is not all. Watch out for the next video. Thanks and bye for now.